And in fact, Rohit Agarwal of the RLD, Rohit Agarwal, bulldozers, encounters. This is what Mr. Owaisi has also said. Mr. Bansal is echoing that similar sentiment that, the situation in Uttar Pradesh, the opposition says, is far from desirable because their allegation is that constitutional norms are being thrown to the wind. Your response?
Good evening, Madhav. I think, unfortunately, these days we have a very destructive opposition. They keep on opposing everything what government is doing, and they don't understand that opposing a government leading them to oppose a country and even the people of country. These people don't understand that who have been encountered. Is any innocent have been encountered? Or what is encounter is? Encounter is when somebody is firing on police, then the encounter occurs, and these people are just supporting even the terrorist of the country. These people are even supporting the somebody who needs to be corrected. मतलब अपराधी को भी सपोर्ट करने से ये पीछे नहीं हट रहे हैं.
आप किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? कौन से टेररिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं? Which terrorist, sir? Which terrorist?
आप देखिए, इन्होंने कश्मीर के अंदर अमर उद्दुल्ला के साथ इन्होंने गठबंधन किया कांग्रेस ने.
Sir, you made a specific allegation. I'm just asking you to substantiate what you just said.
We will that's what I'm saying. What Amar Uddullah said? He said, we will reimpose 370 and we will do everything to reimpose 370. What does that really mean? That you want to work against the country. You want to work against the people of country.
So, one second. Rohit Agarwal, now Rohit Agarwal, let's, 1 second, just 1 second. You just made a claim that they are supporting terrorists. I asked you which are the terrorists, and then you go on to Omar Abdullah's 370 claims. Now, that's their political party's prerogative. If they feel that they want to support Article 370 or bring it back and make that as an election promise, that's their right to. You may disagree, I may agree or disagree. The point is everyone's entitled to their own point of view. So I think let's not go down that road, but let me quickly bring in Asif Sohail. Asif Sohail, the point being made over here is this. Bangladesh, whatever has happened, that's something that is a huge matter of concern. All that Yogi Adityanath has said is discussed it in that context that we have to be careful. Is there something so wrong? Even Charu Pragya says there are several countries in the world where there are, all sorts of situations happening. There is turmoil, there is social unrest. और ऐसी स्थिति में अगर वो कह रहे हैं कि one has to take a lesson from there, is there something so wrong in that?
देखिए माधव, दुनिया में जहाँ पर भी इंसानियत के ख़िलाफ़ कुछ होता है तो कंसर्न की बात है, चाहे वो बांग्लादेश हो या कोई भी रहने दो. पर हमारे मुल्क के अंदर इतने पहले सारे इश्यूज़ है. एक चीफ मिनिस्टर उत्तर प्रदेश के फेल हो गए हैं लोगों को सुरक्षा देने में. इतना कमज़ोर चीफ मिनिस्टर हमने कभी नहीं देखा. वो तो खुलेआम बोल रहे हैं कि बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. इसका मतलब क्या है? वो मुल्क के संविधान पे, मुल्क के प्राइम मिनिस्टर पे उन्हें भरोसा नहीं है. ये सारा सिर्फ एक बौखलाहट में डर है. ये पोस्ट 400 पार और राहुल गांधी का इफेक्ट है इनके ऊपर. मुझे समझ में आता है बौखलाहट में ये कुछ ना कुछ बोलते जा रहे हैं, बस और कुछ नहीं है. लोग जब इन्हें वोट देकर एक चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाते हैं कि इस भरोसे से कि ये हमारी सुरक्षा करेंगे, वो खुलेआम बोल दे रहे हैं कि वो कट जाएंगे, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? तो वो चीफ मिनिस्टर तो मतलब एक कमजोर चीफ मिनिस्टर हो गए ना. आप मुझे बताइए. आप और ये खुला ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि गलती मत करो यहाँ पे. मतलब ये कि भाजपा की हुकूमत गिरने वाली है क्या? इतना क्यों डर हो रहा है इन्हें? आप मुझे बताइए. उत्तर प्रदेश में हम लोगों को मारते हैं, रेप हो रहे हैं, इतने सारे मतलब
one second, Tushar.